Hi there! Have you ever bought strawberries that looked amazing but had no flavor or smell at all? Sadly, many store-bought strawberries are grown with chemicals and lose their natural taste. But here's the good news. You can grow your own sweet, chemical-free strawberries right at home, even without a garden. Just a sunny corner on your balcony or windowsill is all you need. In this video, I'll guide you through every step of growing strawberries from seed or seedling, all the way to harvest. We'll talk about soil, sunlight, watering, pollination, and even natural pest control. And at the end, I'll share a simple but powerful tip to make your plants even more productive. Let's get started. Growing from seed. You can either buy organic strawberry seeds or carefully collect the tiny seeds from the skin of a ripe strawberry. To help them sprout faster, place the seeds between moist cotton or paper towels and let them sit for 24 hours. Next, prepare a small pot with soft peat-based soil. Gently place the seeds on the surface. Cover them with just a thin layer of soil. Strawberry seeds need light to germinate. Water lightly and cover the pot with plastic wrap to create a mini greenhouse. Place the pot somewhere warm and bright, like a sunny windowsill. Seeds usually sprout in 2 to 3 weeks. Keep the soil slightly moist but not soaking wet. Once the seedlings appear, remove the plastic and let them adjust to natural light. You might get only a few berries in the first year, but the second year will bring more fruit. Growing from seedling. Want faster results? Start with seedlings. You can buy them from garden centers in April or May. Look for varieties like Albion or San Andreas. They produce fruit all summer long. Use a pot that's about 20 to 25 centimeters wide and has drainage holes at the bottom. Add a layer of gravel before adding soil to help with drainage. For best results, use a mix of peat, homemade compost, and perlite. When planting, make sure the crown, where the leaves meet the roots, stays above the soil. Water deeply after planting, and for the first few days, keep the plant out of strong midday sun. Strawberries love sunlight. They need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. Place your pot in the brightest spot you have on a balcony or a south-facing windowsill. If your plant doesn't get enough light, it will grow fewer berries and they won't taste as sweet. Watering. Check the soil often. If the top 2 to 3 centimeters feels dry when you touch it, it's time to water. During summer, you may need to water every day. In spring, every 2 to 3 days is usually enough. Avoid letting water sit at the bottom of the pot. That can cause the roots to rot. The best times to water are early in the morning or in the cool evening. Blooms and pollination. If your plant is healthy, you'll see small white or pink flowers in no time. Soon after, tiny green strawberries will begin to form. Outside, bees and wind help with pollination. Indoors, you can use a small paintbrush to gently move pollen from one flower to another. Fruit and harvest. The green berries will slowly turn red. Wait until the fruit is fully red all the way up to the stem, then it's ready to pick. Early morning is the best time to harvest for maximum flavor and firmness. Twist the fruit off gently, or cut it with scissors, leaving a bit of stem. Don't wash the strawberries right away. Store them in the fridge, unwashed, in a breathable container for 2 to 3 days. In your first season, you can expect around 150 to 200 grams of strawberries per pot. And don't leave ripe strawberries on the plant. If you delay harvesting, it slows down new fruit production. As the plant matures, it will start to grow long runners. These runners form baby strawberry plants at the tips. If you want more plants, simply pot those little offshoots in new containers. But if you want to focus on one strong plant, trim the runners off early. Natural pest control. Here are a few easy natural tricks to keep your plant healthy. Aphids. Mix 1 liter of water with a teaspoon of neem oil and a few drops of liquid soap. Spray once a week. Slugs. Surround your pot with crushed eggshells or use shallow dishes filled with beer to trap them. Fungus or mold. Avoid overwatering. Allow air to flow between plants and trim off any infected leaves. And always inspect your plant once a week. Catching problems early makes them easier to fix. Here's a little trick. When your plant produces its very first flowers, pinch them off. Yes, really. This helps the plant build stronger roots and leaves, which means more strawberries later in the season. That's it. You now know how to grow sweet, juicy strawberries right on your balcony or windowsill. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss new content. And now I have a question for you. What should we make next? a delicious homemade strawberry jam, or a cool, refreshing strawberry smoothie? Leave a comment and let me know what you'd love to see. See you in the next video. Happy gardening!